Write the question. In figure, AB is a diameter. Okay. Take the reader, page 183. Reader, page 183. It's a star question. Page 183. Question number 3. Sample number 3. Example 3. Okay. It's a very important question. I'll show this one. Look at here. AB is a diameter. Look. AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter of the circle. CD is a chord equal to the radius of the circle. AC and BD, when extended, intersect at the point E. Prove that angle AEB 60 degree. Okay, look at here. I draw another figure. Okay, no, there's no issue. AB is a diameter. Look, AB is a diameter. CD is a chord. Okay, CD is a chord is equal to the radius. So this one and this one equal. Then AC and BD intersected, extended, intersected E. Show that angle AEB 60 degree. This is the figure. Show that angle AEB 60 degree. Okay. Draw the figure. Okay. Draw figure first. Okay. Which VT exam? Okay. Number system, 2 statistics, probability. Oh, that's easy only. Okay. So statistics, surface area we already done. Probability very easy. Statistics also recently did. Okay. When the date is when? Date. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Okay, now listen here. Look, this is start question. Listen. AB is a diameter of the circle. CD is a chord equal to the radius of circle. AC and BD extended intersect at E. Prove that angle AEB 60 degree. Listen here. There is a construction. Join AD. Join AD. Okay, look, CD equal to OC equal to OD. Correct or no? Hello, it's given CD equal to OC equal to OD, right? That is given. CD equal to OC equal to OD, that is given. Therefore, angle COD how much? Angle COD how much? Angle COD how much? 60 degree, right? It is 60 degree, correct or not? Here 60. What about this angle? Angle A how much? Angle CAD how much? Anyone answer? CAD how much? Angle CAD. Hello, angle CAD, how much? Angle CAD, how much? No, not 60. Not 60. 55. What basis you're telling 55? Jonathan, it is 30. It is 30 degree. Why? The first theorem. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Advait, what basis is at 55? The theorem saying what? Subtending angle. Listen, last class I discussed now. Subtending angle. This is center angle. Any angle like this will be half. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Okay. Then after that, what about angle ADB? This angle. Angle ADB, how much? ADB, how much? 90 degree. Why? Angle in a semicircle, because AB is a diameter. Okay, then this is 90. What about angle ADE? What about angle ADE? How much? 90. Linear pair. 90. Now, in triangle ADE, 30 plus 90 plus E equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, E equal to 60 degree. Okay, right. I'll give the note. Right. Join AD. Join AD. Join AD. Then CD equal to OC equal to OD given. CD equal to OC equal to OD given. CD equal to OC equal to OD given. Okay. Therefore, angle COD 60 degree. Angle COD 60 degree. COD equal to 60 degree. Each angle of an equilateral triangle. Reason what? Each angle of the equilateral triangle. Okay. Then angle CAD 30 degree. Angle CAD 30 degree. CAD 30 degree. Bracket. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Then angle ADB 90 degree. Angle ADB 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Then angle ADE 90 degree. Linear pairs. Angle ADE 90 degree. Linear pairs. Okay. Then in triangle ADE. 30 plus 90 plus angle E 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, angle is 60 degree. Okay, check this out. Okay. Clear now? Okay, now we try example 4. Hello. Try example 4. Page number 183, example 4. So finish it fast today, this section, then I'll do the extra questions. Okay. Page 183, example 4. You should have draw the figure. Okay. Draw the. Don't start without figure. Draw figure and do it. Okay. Start now. Example 4. If not getting, tell me, I'll do it. Okay. Are you getting or not? Example 4. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC and BD are diagonals. Angle DBC 55 degree. BAC 45 degree. Find angle BCD. BCD. Okay, look. Here, A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC and BD are diagonals. Angle DBC 55 degree. DBC 55. This is 55. Angle BAC 45. This angle 45. Okay. B1 BCD. This angle we have to find out. Okay. BCD we have to find out. Okay. Look at here. Come on. This angle 45, this also 45, right? Same segment, right? Correct or no? BAC equal to angle BDC. Angle BAC equal to angle BDC. Correct? Because this angle passing through B and C. BDC also passing through B and C equal to 45 degree. Angle the same segment. Okay, finish now. In triangle DBC, 45 plus 55, then you can find out this angle. How much? 45 plus 55 is 100. Then how much? 80. Okay. Okay, clear now? Hello, are you okay? This Tejas, what happened in last class, man? Tejas. Tejas. You are not a regular now. Tejas. Hello, can you hear me? What happened last class? You didn't come last class. No, what happened? You're logging from which place? No, login from which place? Which area? India, which area? Kerala, which location? Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so look at here what I did. I explained this one again. Look, angle BAC. Listen here. Angle BAC. Angle BAC passing through B and C. Angle BDC also passing through B and C. So that is both are 45 degrees. After that, in triangle BDC, 45 plus 55 plus BDC, how BCD, how much? 180 degrees. So answer is what? 80. Clear now? Okay, finish or not? Okay, write first. Okay, finish. Dinesh, is it okay? Dinesh. Okay. So next question. Try example 5. Hello. Try example 5. Speed up. Okay. Try example 5. Okay. Question number 5 getting or not? Question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Look, it's also star question. Question number 5. Two circles intersect at, look, A, B, A, B, A, D, B, C. Look at here. Two circles intersect at 2 points, A and B. AD and AC are diameter. Prove that B lies on the line DC. So what you will do? Join AB. AD is a diameter, so this angle 90. AC diameter is also 90. Therefore, angle BDC 180 degree. Hence, it is a straight line. Hence, it is a straight line. We all got this. Okay, right. You write construction, draw figure, then write construction join AB. Join AB. Okay, join AB. Then proof. AD is a diameter. AD is a diameter. Therefore, angle ADB 90 degree. ADB 90 degree. ADB 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Okay. Angle in a semicircle. Clear now? Okay, angle in a semicircle. Then, Marsuk, what I said, AD is a diameter. AD is a diameter. Therefore, angle ABD 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Similarly, angle ABC. Similarly, angle ABC 90 degree. Because AC diameter. Therefore, angle ABD plus angle ABC equal to 90 plus 90 equal to 180. Therefore, DBC is a straight line. DBC is a straight line. Okay, finish. Now, question number 6. I'll show this one. Okay. Question number 6 is the most important question. Okay. Question number 6. Gulf Indian, you got any schedule of exams? Final exam. Hello, Gulf Indian. Not yet. Okay. Bhavans. The final exam. Final exam I'm talking about. Not. Okay. India International. India International. Any idea? Okay. Ahmed. Hello, Ahmed. You got the schedule of final exam. When? Why didn't you tell me that? That's why every day I'm asking you, you got the schedule or not? Okay, that means okay, because DPS is ending 16th. Okay, so we'll start from 18th. By the time Bhavan's also finish it. Okay, clear now? We'll start from 18th. 18th. I think is it okay for you? Same timing? Do you want any changes in the timing or days? You can inform. Okay, is it okay for your timing? DPS guys. Okay, so you should inform, you should confirm, okay, whether you are continuing or not. Okay, listen here. Question number 6. Look at here. This is star question. Look at here. Question number 6. Look. Question number 6. Look at here. Prove that the quadrilateral form by the internal angle bisectors of any quadrilateral cyclic. Okay, look at here. This is the quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is a bisector. This is another bisector. Okay, QRS. Look at here. Here, don't write. Hello, don't write now. What is given here? ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AP, BP, CR, DR are the bisectors of angle ABCD respectively. To prove PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, to prove PQRS cyclic quadrilateral, what do you have to prove? Hello, what do you have to prove? Listen, sum of the opposite angles. Sum of the opposite angles 180 degree, right? Sum of the opposite angles 180 degree, correct or no? That means you have to show that angle P plus angle R 180 degree. Angle P plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Angle P plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Okay, look at here. Draw figure first. Draw figure. We are doing again this. We did on once we did this one. Okay, for Bhavan's test time. Okay. Okay, draw figure. Right. Then I'll give the given. Adil, are you getting or not? Hello, Adil. Your exam a little bit early, right? So you have to prepare yourself. Twenty-eight one is Hindi. Okay, maths on. Okay, maths on 3rd. Okay, result is 18. Oh, okay. So that means if you wish to join, you can join from 18th. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. Right, given. Hello. Right, given. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Right. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AP, BP, CR, and DR are the bisectors of angle A, B, C, D respectively. Bisectors of angle A, B, C, D respectively. Okay, clear? Then to prove PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. To prove PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, up to here, okay or not? Everyone, hello. Sham, up to here, okay? Anyone doubt? Ame, is it okay? Okay, listen here. This is a very important question. Listen, given is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AP, BP, CR, and DR are the bisectors of angle ABCD. To prove PQRS is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, we already discussed. In order to prove PQRS is cyclic quadrilateral, you just show angle P plus angle R 180 degree. Okay, now look at here. I'm calling this angle 1. This is 2. This one is 3. This is 4. Okay, done right now. Look at here. In triangle APB, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Call it number 1. In triangle APB, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Angle is some property of a triangle. Then in triangle DRC, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Number 2. Again, angle is some property of a triangle. Adding 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle P plus angle R equal to 360 degree. Right? Okay, we know that angle 1 is half of A. Angle A by 2 plus angle B by 2 plus angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 plus angle P plus angle R equal to 360. Okay. Right up to here. Is it okay, clear or not? Okay, right now. In triangle, proof. In triangle APB. In triangle APB, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Angle some property of a triangle, number 1. Similarly, in triangle DRC, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Angle some property of a triangle. Then adding 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle P plus angle R equal to 360. Okay, next line. 1, A by 2, B, 2, B by 2, C, 3 is C by 2, 4 is D by 2 plus P plus R equal to 360 degree. Okay, then write the reason. Okay, write the reason. AP, bracket, right? AP, BP, CR, DR are the bisectors. AP, BP, CR and DR are the bisectors. Okay, up to here, okay or not? Hello, everyone okay? Is it okay or not? Then I can proceed next step. Mohit, is it okay? Namida. Sham. Okay, now next part, look at here. Next part, look at here. We don't want this all. Okay, look at here, the last line. I'm just writing A plus B plus C plus D by 2 together plus angle P plus angle R equal to 360. Okay, but angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360. 360 by 2 plus angle P plus angle R equal to 360. So 180 plus angle P plus angle R equal to 360. Therefore, angle P plus angle R equal to 180. Hence, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Next line, right? Hello. Next line, right? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D whole by 2. Everything by 2. Plus angle P plus angle R equal to 360. Okay. Next line, 360 by 2. 360 by 2 plus angle P plus angle R 360. Bracket you write. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay. Then 180 plus angle P plus angle R equal to 180. Therefore, PQR is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Now we try question number 2. Sorry. Exercise 10.5, question number 1. Okay. No need write the question. Answer only. Hello. Only answer. Okay. Because radar we did already. This already done. Okay. Only answer. Try now. Okay. Marsuk, I told you no. 10.5 question number 1. 10.5 question number 1. Okay, finish. Simple. Angle AOC, listen, check the figure. Angle AOC, how much? 60 plus 30, 90. Therefore, ADC 45 degree. Finish. ADC 45 degree. Okay, finish all. So now you start. Now you can start question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. Are you okay all? First one finished or not? First one, you have tried the reason. Angle ADC 45 degree. Reason what? Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Okay. Now we try question number 2. Just read it. If not getting, tell me fast. Don't waste the time. You have to finish it today. Read the questions. Okay. Mridula, getting or not? Hey, Mridula, you got your answer sheet. Come on. Maybe you won't get it because now more than 1 month, right? So that class, your class full, right? Maybe lost. How we lost? It is sent by digital, no, right? Yeah, it's sent by digital, so it won't lose. It won't lose. Okay, you will get it. Maybe the teacher with that old teacher. Okay. Anyway, no problem. Okay, try now question number 2. Listen, if not getting fast, tell me fast. Okay. You read the question. If it, maybe you didn't understand, tell me. Okay. Oh, you didn't get also. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Question number 2. Look at here. It's a good question. A chord of a circle. Look, a chord of a circle look, a chord of a circle is equal to the radius. Listen here. Center here. This is the chord. AB is the chord. This chord is equal to the radius. So this one. Okay. Then what? Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc. This is a minor arc, chota one. This angle, P, and angle on the major part, this angle, Q. These two angles you have to find out. This is the question. Question clear now? Look, this direction, APB, that is the minor arc. AQB, this direction, that is the major one. Major means bigger one. Okay, can you say how much this will be angle? This angle how much? Any idea? Or this angle how much? Hey, listen. Angle AOB how much? Angle AOB how much? AOB 60. This angle 60. Why? Chord AB is equal to the radius. Okay. If it is 60, how much this one? Angle AOB 60. Therefore, angle AQB how much? 30. Okay. Now, look at here. QAPB is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? QAPB is a cyclic quadrilateral. We know that a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary. That means 180 degree. Therefore, this angle how much? 150. Finished. Right? Clear now? Okay. Sham, Adil, is it okay or not? And Tejas, is it okay? Okay, I'll give the note, right? AB equal to OA equal to OB, right? AB equal to OA equal to OB, given. AB equal to OA equal to OB given. Therefore, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. AOB is an equilateral triangle. Hence, angle AOB 60 degree. AOB 60 degree. Okay. Then, therefore, angle AQB 30 degree. AQB 30 degree. AQB 30 degree. Okay. Reason what? Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Okay. Then angle Q plus angle P 180 degree. Angle Q plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Cyclic opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle P 150 degree. Angle P 150 degree. Okay, is it clear now? Then we try question number 3. Next question, number 3. Do first. Okay, listen, one point here now. Angle in a minor arc is what? What's the name? Angle in a minor arc is what? Can you suggest? Angle in a minor arc. What do you call? Angle in a minor arc is dash. Angle in a major arc is what? No. Not minor angle. Hey, come on, man. Not minor angle. Angle in a minor arc. Comment. Akshara. Yanda. Any comment? Angle in a minor arc. Obtuse. It is obtuse angle. Yes, Adil. Tamam. Okay. It is obtuse angle. Adil, is that correct? Because angle in a minor arc is obtuse. Correct or no? At the same time, angle in a major arc is acute angle. Angle in a major one, acute. Just opposite. Angle in a minor arc is obtuse angle. Angle in a major arc is acute angles. Okay. So anyway, try now question number 3. Question number 3. Try now. Okay, try question number 3. Draw the figure and try. Listen, we have to finish today reader. So if not getting, don't drag and sit. Okay. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Yes, correct. That is our theorem now. Because 180 by 2. Right? Akshara. 180 by 2. That's why 90. Okay. Anyway, try. Hello, everyone. Just go through it. The question. Draw figure. Just look at the figure. If not getting, tell me first. Okay, try now. How much? Just wait. Okay, look at here. Hello. In figure, look. In figure, PQR, angle PQR is 100. Okay, look. P O R. Okay, angle PQR 100 degree. Okay, where P and Q are PQR are points on a circle with center O. Find angle OPR. OPR. Okay, this angle, right? Okay, what we will do? Okay, if you want one method, this is 200. So here will be 160. Okay, because this is 200, half is here. So 160. But OP equal to OR. OP equal to OR. Therefore, X here, X here. So X plus 160 equal to 180. So 2x equal to 20, x equal to 10. Is it okay? You got? X equal to 10. Everybody got or not? 110. My God. Hey, come on. We all got this. Anybody got? Okay. Then okay. Correct. It is 10. Okay. Okay, copy now. 160. 160 means shine. Angle around a circle. Sorry, angle around a point. Angle around a point is 360. 360 minus 200. Okay. Clear now? Okay. Otherwise, if not understand that part, look at here. What we'll do, we just make an angle like this, construct it. Here 100, here is 80. 80 is double here, 160. That also okay. No problem. Clear now? Any method you can select it. Okay, now we try question number 6. Try question number 6 first. Question number 6. Okay, try now question number 6. Speed up. Okay. Question number 6, getting or not? Question number 6. Hello. Question 6. Are you getting or not? If not getting, ask me. You can check the back. Okay. What you have to find out? Angle ECD. Two angle BCD. BCD also. Okay. Sham. If not getting, ask. Adil. Draw figure and try. Getting? You got question number 6. Hello. Is it okay? Question number 6. Sure. Look. I'll give a hint. Angle DBC. Angle DBC 70. That is equal to angle DAC 70. So that means angle DAB 100. Therefore, BCD 80. Finish or not? Hello? Look at the figure. Angle DBC, how much? Listen, Ashrak, getting or not? Angle DBC, 70. Okay, DBC passing through D and C. Angle CAD passing through D and C. So that is 70. Hence, angle DAB 100. Okay, DAB plus angle BCD 180 degree, cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, BCD 100. Okay, after that, given AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC means 30. Angle BAC 30, BCA also 30. Okay, BCA 30 means what? Balance. ECD how much? 50 degree, right? Because already 80, 30 is gone, 50 degree. Is it okay now? Who all got this? If you want, I'll show on the board. Okay, then those who finish, try question number 7. Those who finish, question number 7. Speed up. We have to finish it this exercise today, okay? Okay, I'll show this one. Look at here. Adil, look at here. Question number 6. Those who have problem, look at here. A, B, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonal intersect at E. This one intersect at E. Okay. Angle DBC 70. This angle 70. Angle EAC, this is 30. Okay. Now look at here. Look, this angle, hello, this 70 passing through D and C. 70, hello, listen, 70 angle passing through D and C. Keep your eyes here, D and C. So this one also passing. Look at here, same. Correct or no? Because we learned angle in the same segment are equal. Look. These all angle will be same. Why? Passing through same point. Like that, 70 passing through D and C. This angle also passing through D and C. 70. Hence, okay, angle BAD 100. This full angle 100. Okay. Angle BAD plus angle BCD equal to 180. It's a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, this full angle is 80. That's the first part. Adil, okay? First part okay or not? First part okay or not? Okay, second part, look, given AB equal to AC, given AB equal to BC. That means AB equal to BC means opposite angles are also equal. Correct or no? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So here 30, this angle 30. So balance how much here? 50. Okay, write first. Okay, I'll wait. You write. And after that, those who finish, continue question number 7. Okay. Question number 7, very simple. Don't make more steps. Very simple. Okay. Okay. Okay, question number 7, finish or not? Yeah, all angle is 90 degree. Akshaya, look at here, question number 7. Look, question number 7, look. Look at here, question number 7. The diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral. Look. It should be looks like look. It looks like a rectangle, right or not? So let's draw like accordingly. Okay, look. A, B, C, D. Okay. The diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameter. Okay. AC is a diameter. BD also diameter. Look. Hello. Listen here. BD is a diameter. Therefore, angle A 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Therefore, C also 90. See, AC is a diameter, so 90. This is also 90. In a quadrilateral, all angles are 90 degree. It is a rectangle. Finish. Simple. Right? Okay. Draw figure. I'll give a note. Draw fast. Okay. Right. BD is a diameter. BD is a diameter. Therefore, angle A 90 degree. Angle A 90 degree. Bracket, right? Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Okay. Similarly, angle C 90 degree. Angle C 90 degree. Then AC is a diameter. Then next AC is a diameter. Next AC is a diameter. AC is a diameter. Then angle ADC 9 degree. Angle ADC 9 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Similarly, angle B 9 degree. Okay. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Bracket, right? All angles are 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. Okay, so next question, number 8. Number 8 is a star question. Read it. Question number 8, read and draw figure. I'll explain this one. Very important question. This one. Okay. Okay. Question number 8. I'll show this one. Okay. It's a very important question. Put a star mark. I'll give the note also. Don't write anything. Okay. Look. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is cyclic. Okay. Look. Non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal. Here, A, B, C, D is a trapezium in which AB parallel BC and AD equal to BC. This is given. What do you have show? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, draw figure. Hello, draw figure first. Draw. Okay, then right. Given ABCD is a trapezium, right? Given ABCD is a trapezium, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC, AB parallel DC, and AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC. Listen, ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and AD equal to BC. To prove ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Oh, that means angle A plus angle C 180 or angle B plus angle D 180. Angle A plus angle B, C 180 or angle B plus angle D 180. Okay. Now, listen here. Don't write. There is a small construction. Look at here. There is a construction. Look at here. Don't write. Through B, draw a line parallel to here, which intersect at E. Right. Construction through B, draw a line through B, draw a line BE parallel to DA, which intersect DC at E. DC at E. Okay. Hello, everyone. Just go through the note. What you got? What is given? What you have to prove? What is the construction? Read it down. If not getting, tell me. Then only I can start the proof. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Now, listen all. AB parallel to DC. Don't write. AB parallel to DC. Sorry, AB parallel to DE given. AD parallel to BE by construction. Therefore, AB ED is what? AB ED is what? Come on. AB ED is what? It's a parallelogram, right? It's a parallelogram. Okay, write that one. Proof. AB parallel DE given. AB parallel to DE. You know how to write? AB parallel to DE given. AD parallel to BE by construction. Therefore, AB ED is a parallelogram. AB ED is a parallelogram. In bracket, you write in opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so what do you got now? ABED is a parallelogram. Okay, dot right now. Now listen. Therefore, AD equal to BE, number one. Why? In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. And AD equal to BC, number two, given. Correct or no? AD equal to BC given. From 1 and 2 we get BE equal to BC, correct? BE equal to BC. Okay, right now. Continue. AD equal to BE. Number 1, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. AD equal to BE, number 1, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Then, next line, AD equal to BC, number 2, given. AD equal to BC, number 2, given. From 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get BE equal to BC. BE equal to BC, that means this 2. BE equal to BC, okay? Okay, if BE equal to BC, which angle equal? Sham, hello, Sham. If BE equal to BC, which angle equal? Which angle equal, Sham? Hello. Come on. So I'm not Majud. Angle BEC and angle C, correct or no? Angle BEC and angle C, right? Okay. Are they okay or not? We cannot say angle E and angle C, you right? Okay, then right. Therefore, angle BEC, right? Therefore, angle BEC equal to angle C. Angle BEC equal to angle C. In bracket, right? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Okay, listen, let angle BEC equal to angle CX. This is X, this is also X, not right now. Okay, if it is X, how much this one? 180 minus X, linear pair. Angle E and angle A equal, 180 minus X. Okay, now look at the figure. Angle A plus angle C, how much? 180 minus X plus X equal to 180. Therefore, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, I'll give a note. Right. Let angle BEC plus let angle BEC equal to angle BEC equal to angle C equal to X. Okay. Then therefore angle after that angle BEC plus angle BDC, angle BEC plus angle BED equal to 180 degree, linear pairs. Angle BEC plus angle BED equal to 180, linear pairs. Therefore, angle BED, 180 minus X. Okay, then angle BEC, angle BED equal to angle A. Angle BED equal to angle A equal to 180 minus X. Angle BED equal to angle A equal to 180 minus X. In bracket, in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Hence, angle A plus angle C. Angle A plus angle C equal to 180 minus X plus X. 180 minus X plus X equal to 180. Therefore, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, check now. Hello, everyone check it. Check first. This one is star question, okay. You have time now. Just go through all the proof. Is it okay? Hello. Check first all. Is it okay? Clear now? Okay, then this is enough today. Next class will continue the remaining questions. Okay, you ready? Prepare for the test today. This part not coming for today test. Okay, last two classes what we discussed based on only circle. Understood now? Circle test is based on last two classes only. Surface area volumes, all the parts. Okay, I'll continue next class also. Then we'll finish the circle. Okay. Okay, this is enough today.